Hi, Sandra here. I'm up here on the highest point of my house, up on the roof. Great view. I actually come up here to tap, to bring my energy up and get myself back into my champion energy. Champion energy which I need for my life, and I'm sure you're no different. Life is relentless in its demands for energy, and we need constantly energy for our life. And then also our challenges can take us into stress, deplete our energy, and we're not functioning in the way that we're supposed to function, the way we're designed to function. Far from it, in fact. And I many times found myself on the floor, metaphorically also. So how do you get yourself back? Not only how do you get your energy back up, but how do you get it to stay up in a higher gear so you can cruise in your life, so everything becomes easy, so you're just naturally happy. You have your natural abilities accessible to you and available, and things just run well. That's what I call champion energy. And there's 3 steps that I used to actually access my energy. One was to first allow and acknowledge where I am. Ooh, it's getting a bit windy. 2, to turn my attention to my existing successes and achievements, accomplishments, no matter how small, because within these moments and events of our life, actually, this is the evidence of who we are, the qualities that we embody, that we achieved that, completed that, did that, however small or large that is. When we actually give attention to that and we use our energy techniques, like I use modern energy tapping, to tap into those energies, we can access these states to embody who we really are. And then we have access to that energy. It's like tapping into this inner source state of energy to propel us through our life, lets us be able to take action, lets us feel happy, lets life feel easy, and lets us get more done in a day and move towards our goals more easily. This is what I call champion energy, this knowing who I am. So for me, it wasn't enough to write an article. I had to put a workshop on to help people not only know what to do and have information, but to actually guide people through the process, their own process, to take them from where they are to access, to embody that champion energy state, so that they are lifted up into a new gear to go forward in that new 5th gear, cruising in the life. So we did it last month. It was amazing. I'm doing it again tomorrow. This is a very special and high value workshop. It's not just information, it's not just skills, it's transformation. And so we have a chance. If you didn't come last time, you have a chance to join it this time and get the transformation that you need for your life, that it runs much more smoothly, easily and happily. I hope to see you there. Thanks for listening.